Hello, you're welcome once again to our channel. In this math tutorial, we have that PS is perpendicular to QR, meaning it meets the QR at 90 degrees. We have to find the length of the side PR to one decimal place. So first, we know that PS is perpendicular to QR, and as such, triangle PQS is right angle triangle. We shall be using trigonometric ratios to get this done, and another thing we need to know is that from triangle PQR, angle Q added to angle R gives 90 degrees. They are complementary angles because angle P is already 90 degrees and the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And so starting from triangle PQS, we have that the cosine of the angle Q must be equal to the length of the side QS, which is the adjacent side, over the length of the side PQ, which is the hypotenuse side. And the cosine of that is 8 centimeters over 17 centimeters, or just 8 over 17. Now, generally, the sine of an angle and the cosine of its complementary angle are always equal. That is, in this case, the sine of angle R is the same thing as the cosine of its complementary, which is 90 degrees minus R. And 90 degrees minus R is the same thing as the cosine of the angle Q, which we already have as 8 over 17. And this implies that the sine of the angle R is also 8 over 17. And so by trigonometry again, the sine of the angle R is going to be the opposite side to that angle, which is the side PS, divided by the hypotenuse side, which is PR. And because the sine of the angle R is 8 over 17, we have 8 over 17 to be equal to 15 centimeters, which is the side PS, over the side we are looking for, the side PR. And from there, applying the cross product property, we have the product of 8 and the side PR will give 17 times 15 centimeters. And dividing across the two sides by 8, we have the side PR to be equal to the product of 17 and 15 centimeters divided by 8, which is 255 centimeters divided by 8. This gives 31.875 centimeters as the side PR, and to one decimal place, the side PR is 31.9 centimeters. We believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Do like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And when you have done so, please click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates from this channel. Till we see you in our next video, say bye.